In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious grilled pasta salad recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 box of cooked pasta, 1 cup of grilled meat cubed, half a cup of cherry tomatoes, half a cup of cucumbers, half a cup of orange pepper diced, a quarter cup of red onion, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, half a cup of sour cream, half a cup of mayonnaise, and a quarter cup of feta cheese. In a bowl, we're going to combine together the mayonnaise, and the sour cream. Season with the salt, pepper, and the lemon juice. Once completely combined, we're going to add this to our cooked pasta. Mix until completely combined. Add the feta cheese, red onions, cherry tomatoes, orange peppers, cucumbers, and the grilled meat. Mix everything together until evenly combined. Cover with plastic wrap. Place this in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Once out of the fridge, remove the plastic wrap. Our grilled pasta salad is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.